In today's video, we're explaining machine pressures and why they are important. Hey guys, it's Mark here, product support at Attach 2. Today's video is a very important one. We're going to go over machine pressures to give you maximum performance and longevity. Every attachment has a recommended working pressure. Exceeding this could result in seals to leak, premature failure, or if the pressures were set too low, could result in poor performance of that attachment. There are 3 easy steps on finding the correct pressure ratings for our attachments. You can either find them on the serial plate which is mounted to the attachment, or in the user manuals, or using our QR code. If you're still unsure, give Attach 2 a call and they'll put you onto one of our techs. There is a recommended procedure on how to check pressures, and I'm about to show you how now. So what I've done here to get a true accurate reading, I've disconnected the hose going into the tilt circuit, and I'm going to plug my gauge directly into the end of this hose and then dead end the circuit to give me a true reading on the pressures that is going into the hitch. It's important to measure the pressures here opposed to at the valve, because there's a lot of variance between the valve and the attachment itself. At least here, it'll give us a true reading. So now we've got the gauge all connected. Got an operator in the machine. He's going to tilt the attachment and hold it on relief. Now we've got a reading of 3000 psi, which is ideal. All we're going to do now is double check the opposite side, and then we're good to go. This same process can be applied when setting up the quick circuit pressures. I hope this video helps, and we'll see you in the next one.